Okay, let's talk about the system modules. Right now we have 50 different types of system modules in our MX system portfolio. For what do I need these 50 different types?
So we needed, for example, to create different voltages, but we also needed to connect to other topologies. So we have in-feed modules and output modules.
Okay, so if we take a look at this baseplate right here, first of all, I need an in-feed module, right?
Right. So we could take this one, our main switch module, that directly connects the 400 volt mains, for example.
And what if I would like to connect another baseplate to this baseplate?
I can do that by, again, having an output module on this baseplate. In this case, a hybrid cable and connector with EtherCAT and 24 volts in it. And I just take the corresponding in-feed module on the other side, and that's it.
Okay, that's easy. But what if I would like to use, for example, these EPB boxes as well?
They also need EtherCAT and 24 volts in this case. So I can just take, in this case, the EtherCAT P output module, again mounted on the base plate, and use a cable to connect these.
Okay, so easy as well.
Right.
As far as I understand, the system modules, we need them to build up infrastructure, we need them to build up different types of topologies to connect further products in the field. So the system modules are quite fundamental base product in our portfolio, just like the base plates. Doesn't really matter in which industry we are in, we always need the base plate and different types of system modules. But the system modules are not the only product categories in our portfolio, so stay tuned, there's more to come.